लाइट चली गई, लाइट चली गई। अर्जुन, are you coming?
It is so hot, even the night offers no relief.
I wonder if they can see us too. The stars seem so close tonight. Do you think these stars have seen everything? Even us, growing up?
Maybe that's why they feel familiar.
Do you remember the blackouts? Running around in the dark?
We had no worries at all. I miss that.
Will you leave this place someday?
I don't know.
Everyone leaves. Eventually.